If your thermostat wires start touching or shorting out on and off, it can totally mess with how your heating and air conditioning system works, making it act all weird and unpredictable. So basically, when those thermostat wires intermittently touch or short, your system might turn on and off randomly, or the temperature might jump around like crazy. Sometimes your heater or AC just won't kick in at all, even though you set it right. The first thing to do is check the wires for any spots where the insulation looks worn out or frayed. Those bare spots are trouble waiting to happen. You want to make sure the wires aren't tangled up or pressed against any metal parts that could cause shorts. Using wire grommets where the wires pass through holes can keep them safe from rubbing and damage. Also, keep the wires separated so they're not bumping into each other too much. That reduces the chance of random shorts. If you spot damaged wires, it's best to replace them with new thermostat wire that's rated for your system. When you're doing any work near the thermostat wiring, always shut off power to avoid shocks or further damage. Keeping things neat and organized around the thermostat wires really helps your system stay steady and reliable. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat wiring is ignoring damaged insulation. That's a prime cause of shorts and weird system behavior, so fix it by replacing or repairing wires fast. Another common issue is running wires too close together or letting them get all tangled, which can lead to intermittent contact. Just separate them and use clips or ties to keep them neat. The third problem is skipping protective grommets when wires go through holes or tight spaces, causing chafing and shorts. Adding proper grommets stops this kind of damage for good. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know how to handle HVAC issues like thermostat wiring problems. Contractors also get a boost because it helps them find steady work from people who need their skills without all the usual hassle.